I feel like I linger.
Looks like we got ourselves a new set of wheels for the Miata.
Say the words to remember.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and today I'm going to be introducing to you guys my new set of wheels for the Miata. The Miata has a really nice track setup kind of stance right now. It's not incredibly lowered. It's got some nice wheels on there with some really good tires on them, the Falcon Azennis that I put on before. And I really don't want to waste those tires just on daily driving. So today I got myself some new Clutch wheels, obviously from Clutch. They do some really cool looking wheels, some hot boy wheels, some nice style point kind of wheels. For the Miata specifically, the 4x100 lug pattern. Clutch is gracious enough to be a super awesome sponsor of the channel, so thank you to them. Their information will be down below to their social medias as well as their websites. They do 15-inch, 16-inch, 17-inch, 18-inch, 19-inch, 20-inch trucks, JDM, American. So they do a ton of different wheels. They're a huge company and they're all very affordable, so I couldn't recommend this company more to anyone out there. It goes really good for someone like me that doesn't have a ton of money, or someone like maybe you that don't have a ton of money. You're in college, you're in high school, and you're trying to get a nice set of wheels for cheap. This is a great company to go with. I have seen this wheel obviously before, so this isn't going to be like a super crazy unboxing for me, but it will be kind of cool because I haven't opened this yet. I did see them a couple days ago in their warehouse and they had them ship them to me. This is a 15x8.5 plus 17 wheel. So the offset is more aggressive than this wheel I have on the car right now, and it's a 1/2 inch wider. Let's get to the unboxing, opening it. Right away, the packaging is really sick. I always love that. I've loved that for so long when I've been ordering pre-workouts and stuff like that. I've loved really nice packaging. One huge thing about getting wheels, especially shipped through the mail, it's always scary that it's packaged up because they can get dinged up pretty easy. And it's always a scary thing because obviously you don't want your brand new wheels dinged up before you even have them on your car, before you can even ding them up yourself. So right away, opening up the box, here it is. They have this little protective outside thing, which is very normal on wheels. And it's really nice because they have this extra styrofoam, which I didn't think I saw before when I got wheels previously, going around the outer lip. These wheels do have a pretty big lip, a lot bigger than my current wheels, so it's cool to see. And these things are freaking incredible. Before I show you this wheel, Clutch has been in the game for Miatas and other 4x100 lug pattern cars for a long time, but they haven't had this wheel out for a long time. As far as I know, I'm actually one of the first people to have this style of wheel. It is called the SL2. The other 4x100 lug pattern wheel they have, which looks really cool, it reminds me of a BBS wheel. It's initially actually what I was going for, is an SL1, but they told me about this wheel that actually they were making brand new and they wanted to promote it more. So I was super down with it. So far the finish looks pretty good. There's some very minor scratches right here on the outside of the lip, so like towards the center of the car, so you really can't see it. There's a little bit of some stuff from shipping, obviously, but from the lip aspect of the wheel, everything seems pretty good. I don't see a single scratch on anything so far, and I'm going to show you the wheels for the very first time. Here is the wheel. Kind of looks like a hazard sign to me, almost like this. It is a pretty big lip. It is a 3-inch lip. I know some of you guys in the comments be like, 3 inches isn't that big. To me, it's pretty big. It's bigger than any of my cars I've had so far, lip-wise. The offset is plus 17, like I said before, so a lot more aggressive than we got here, which I believe is a 15x8 plus 25. So this is, again, a 15x8.5 plus 17. It's the SL2s. It is their, like, double dark tint version. They have an all chrome version. They have a double dark tint version, which is essentially more black and a darker chrome, like a black chrome. And they also have a bronze and black face, bronze lip and the black face in these SL2s. They also have this exact style of wheel in a 16-inch, but so far I really freaking like them. They are pretty massive for Miata, so fitment is going to be iffy, and that's why this isn't a video of fitting the wheels, simply because that might be a video in itself trying to get them to fit. So honestly, I love them. I have a picture on my Instagram of them already. So if you haven't followed me there, you wouldn't have seen the wheels yet. If you have followed me there, you'd have seen the wheels yet. Again, if you follow my Instagram, you're gonna see things a lot sooner than I'm able to post on YouTube, because it's so much easier to post a photo on Instagram than make a video. So you should probably follow my Instagram right here. But these are the wheels. We're gonna put them up to the car just a little bit, you know, just to the side of them to see if you guys to kind of get an idea of what they're gonna look like. They're massive. I can't say that enough. So we are gonna be putting on a slightly smaller tire on these than this, even though this wheel is significantly smaller than this wheel. We're gonna be putting a smaller tire on this so we can hopefully get it to fit onto the Miata itself. So I'm gonna go take the camera over there and see if we can get a little side shot, show you guys what it's going to look like. Oh, actually, it fits perfectly with that box right there. So the lighting in here is atrocious, but it's definitely more dark into the center of the wheels right here. It's actually like fully black, and there's like a dark black chrome around the entire thing. So it looks pretty sick. You guys can get an up close look at the lip now. I know it's not significantly huge, but for a Miata with a stock body Miata, pretty freaking big. That's exactly what it actually will kind of look like on the car. Width wise, pretty freaking wide. Most people that run Miatas have a 15x8 wheel, and they run a 205 50 15 tire. We're going to be running a 15x8.5 plus 17 wheel with probably a smaller than 205 50 15 tire. I have a 205 50 15 on here right now. They're the Falcon Zennies RT16 or somethings. But for every day, I'm going to try to get these clutch wheels to work out, because for one, they look incredible. I do think they look better than these wheels right here. These wheels are by Ambit, don't get me wrong, they're super awesome. I love them, but just to ride around with these every day, that'd be freaking incredible. Here they are on the back. Oh my gosh. So guys, I'm going to try to be working on the outside portion of the car a little bit more. If you guys do know, the car is turbocharged. It is pretty dang quick for what it is, for what stock Miata is. And now it's time to work on the styling points of the car. You might have seen a little something from the video that you probably shouldn't have, but videos are going to be coming out a little bit more frequently now. I'm going to try to get them out. School has been killing me. I'm very sorry about that. There's a few Easter eggs in this video. If you pick them up, maybe comment down below, and you will see those in upcoming videos from now. But this one, I wanted to get it out pretty quick. Clutch, thank you enough for sponsoring the video. If you guys want to check out Clutch or any of their other wheels, check them out down below. Their Instagram and their website will be down below. Thank you so much to them. But if you guys want to stick around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be making videos a little bit more frequently now. And also, if you like the video, if you like the wheels, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, hit that like button, gets the video going around and around and around the earth. That's talking pretty quick. But for now, guys, that's the video. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, still like the video. And if you want to comment, go for it, and bye.